2 weeks after we installed the cameras, we potentially saved a life. Pomp's Tire Service is a family-owned and operated commercial tire service, born and bred in Green Bay, Wisconsin, with 3,200 teammates and about 2,000 trucks.
Safety has always been important to Pomp. We care about people, we care about our employees, we care about the general public. So whatever we can do to instill safety, we're gonna do it.
If you have drivers that operate over the road, odds are that is the #1 threat to your business.
The things that our drivers encounter and have to react to is pretty horrifying on the road. The nuclear verdicts we've seen in the industry, I mean, that could cripple our company. For me, safety is job #1. The decision to go with Lytx was definitely all about safety.
With Lytx, it gives us the full visibility into our vehicles. That's the great equalizer.
The quality of the software, the devices, the coaching opportunities, the training while they're driving.
We expected to see an improvement, but I don't think any of us knew how significant that improvement would be. Within 1 year of installation, we had experienced a 59% decrease in following distance, a 48% decrease in near collisions, and a 41% decrease in speeding events. These are substantial improvements on behalf of safety and on behalf of getting our people home to what matters. When we went into this program, we knew that we would achieve measurable financial benefit to the company. But you're never going to see any statistic or any number that truly equates with the value of a life. We had a driver, he said, "I've never worn a seatbelt a day in my life. You installed that camera system 3 weeks ago." It kept going off, ding, 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 seatbelt, ding, 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 seatbelt. So finally I just put on my daggone seatbelt and away I went. I went through an intersection, green light. At that point I could recall that clip. It was truly one of the most violent things I had ever witnessed myself.
And just seeing how horrific it was. Now, without him wearing his seatbelt, he probably would have went through the windshield. It's hard to put in words how incredible it is that someone that goes from never wanting to wear a seatbelt to saving his life. It just proves that we made the right decision with putting Lytx cameras in all of our vehicles.